Sean,
Hiya.
what's your favourite Welsh word?
Envis.
And what's that in English?
Rainbow.
Bill, what's your favourite Welsh word?
Poppy ping.
What is it in English?
Microwave.
Hi everybody, what's your favourite Welsh word?
Sglodion.
Goch gota.
Mochen.
Right then, what's your favourite Welsh word?
Croeso.
And what is that in English?
Welcome.
Martin,
Yes.
what's your favourite Welsh word?
T-shirt.
And what's that in English?
Dessert. Pudding. Cake. Depends where you are.
Mike, what's your favourite Welsh word?
My favourite Welsh word is cwtch.
Oh, and what's that in English?
It's hag or cuddle.
Alan, what's your favourite Welsh word?
Llun gopiwr.
And what's that in English?
Photocopier.
Ooh.